Hello everyone. Today I'm very excited to share with you an unboxing of my recent purchase from Louis Vuitton. When they announced their Valentine's collection, I saw the cutest heart pouch that I knew I had to have. So I contacted my sales associate and had it arranged so that it'd be shipped to me. Now I thought I was going to have to wait much longer for it to arrive. So I'm very excited and very happy that it was able to come much quicker. So let's open up this box and take a look. I'm going to start by just pulling this little cardboard tab right here. Ooh. And you know what? I'll come at it from this side too. Perfect. Okay. So now I have this little cardboard rift right here and we can open it up. Ooh, how cute. Let's see if we can get this part. Oh, and I'm just gonna use my scissors really quickly. Perfect. Set those down. Look how gorgeous. This packaging is everything. Let me see, can you get a good look at it? Oh, wow. How beautiful. I love it. Oh my God, it's wrapped up so beautifully. Okay. So we have the box here. Oh, I believe this must be my receipt. Yes, this is my receipt. I'm just gonna set it aside. Okay, here you are. And you just kind of see the inside of the cardboard box that they've arranged. Very interesting. Oh. Okay, well, I'm just gonna set the box aside now. And we can get into the main portion. Oh, I love the ribbon. This bright blue color always looks so gorgeous. Put this little card on it. Alrighty, so let's pull the ribbons and crack it open. I love this part. Let's see here. Just slide the ribbon off. And of course, it comes with like a little note card that you can fill out. Just gonna put this in the cardboard box. Okay, here's the box. There it is in the dust bag. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this box down now. Okay, here we are, the dust bag. And what is inside? Oh my gosh, isn't it darling? Oh, I love this. It's so cute. So this is the Pop My Heart pouch, and I believe the color is called Dragon Fruit, and this sort of quilted leather, I believe, is called Bubblegum. Now, the Pop My Heart pouch came in two colors, sort of this bright bubblegum pink, and then the other color was called lilac, but online it looked very soft blue to me. And actually, this looks way more bubblegum pink in person. The online photos really do not do it justice. It's so darling. So let's open it up. Okay. And inside, you can see, inside we have the item tag and a long chain. Because I think if you can see here on the sides is where you can attach the chain and wear it more like crossbody style. But I love this top handle. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Now, I do think this is too small for a phone, but I have such an addiction to mini bags. I love mini bags, and this one is so cute. Doesn't it make you think like Fran Fine, you know, very The Nanny? And the color is so Barbie. I love it. So let's try attaching the chain and see how it looks. Oh, my chain is a bit tangled. Here, let me get it sorted. Okay. And put the other side on. Perfect. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Let's see the drop on this. Oh, it's like perfect. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. I guess I'll be wearing it to the Barbie movie. Wow, so cute. I really love it. The color is gorgeous. I love this quilted leather. I love that the LV and the little florets have been stitched in, and the top handle really makes it so cute. Absolutely love this bag. I'm really going to enjoy her. I'm so happy I was able to snag it from the Valentine's collection. And again, the little pouch is called the Pop My Heart pouch. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. If you would like to see other fun unboxing videos, definitely like and subscribe. And again, thank you for watching. Bye.